Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, I still think that we're in an uptrend. We definitely are still making higher highs, higher lows. I actually do believe that it will take out this previous high before we really do get a bigger move to the downside. So, I am definitely still very bullish on the US dollar yen. Taking it down to the weekly is where we got our Fibonacci extension on here. I do expect that we will take out these highs, and I do expect that it will bounce from a fib level. So I definitely am still very bullish. I think the 100% Fibonacci extension right around the 155 area is probably the most likely area for me before this actually does make a bigger push to the downside. So going down to the daily time frame, like I said, definitely still very bullish. It does look like we are in a pullback right now, which is actually really good news for us because at the end of this pullback, if we can get long for the continuation of this uptrend, that should be another very good trade. And the fact that we're closing below above the 78% of this last push down is also a very, very good sign that this will go up and take out the previous highs. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame definitely looks like we're in a correction right now. Now this could just make a little ABC correction and just continue the uptrend. Or possibly this could be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A that makes like a bigger correction, maybe like this ABC correction over here. But either way, whether it turns into like a bigger correction, like a bigger ABC correction, or whether this right here is the ABC, I think we should be able to recognize when the correction is over on the shorter time frames by seeing a big engulfing impulsive move to the upside. And when that does happen, I definitely will be going long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Like I said, it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A right now, so we do have to be a little bit on the cautious side. But I mean, it definitely looks like a trend. It definitely looks like a correction. And it definitely does have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to it. And we do have some pretty decent dollar news today. So if it does make a big bounce after 50%, making a positive move up, make a bigger structure, that is all the things that I'm looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Until the higher time frames, like the daily time frame and up, tell me that this is not going up anymore and that we are actually back into the downside movements, I will for sure continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.